Hi guys, so another day, another vlog na naman pero hindi na siya daily kasi gabi na. At ngayon guys is maliligo kami ng swimming pool at kasama ko yung lolo ko. Guys.
Hello guys.
What is your name?
My name is Joseph Sireno.
So maliligo na kami guys, kaya pupunta na kami. Tara kami guys!
Oh my god, what is that?
So lalakarin lang namin yung swimming pool guys because malapit namin sa bahay namin. Which is, ito lang. Diyan lang sa may ilaw-ilaw. Pera namin guys is 30 pesos lang. Pero yung entrance is, magkano yung entrance?
30 pesos ka.
Entrance ba? 50 man.
50. 50.
Sorry, sorry. Yung pera namin is 30 lang. So ayun guys, pupuntahan muna namin yung best friend ng tita namin kasi hindi na namin kung nandun siya sa bahay ng best friend niya. Kasi isasama sana namin siya maligo ng pool. Kasi nandun kami kanina sa bahay nila because malapit siya masagasaan.
Hindi ka na.
Guys. Because lumalayi. Yung ate, yung tita ko na isa, which is yung kapatid niya. Excuse me. Yung tita kasi guys, is nililigawan siya ng lalaki. Pumunta kami doon kasi nagkain-kain kami at nabusog kami at ayun, since madaming tao, naghihingi kami ng pera guys, pero yung nakayanan namin is 90 pesos only. Kaya tag 30 each na lang kami kasama yung tita. Dalawa lang kami ngayon pero 30 each talaga kami kasi kasama yung tita ko. Dito na kami sa Mikaela. Net? Yes, ando na yung tita ko guys. Kaya ngayon, susunod na lang kami kasi nauna na pala yung tita ko guys. Nauna na pala sila naligo.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Adain mo live as wala nang head nga dito sa swimming pool nga na parang head may himo assignment for today's video day.
So guys, mga on sa me for me maligo.
Adain mo live sa boring ka.
Sarap talaga ng cake.
Kapit ka ni kagiurot niya oh. Palagot kayo.
Ayaw na.
Kayo ko kamay bayot yung mga kaon ranis. Ngiti ka be. Ngiti ta be.
Pakita dito.
Ngiti ta.
Tara. Dito sa vlog. Dala na cake.
Isa oy.
Dala na cake.
Sobrang tamis.
So yung pagkain namin guys, we have cake. Mani na may sili.
Adain mo live. Mga tag.
Yung ano nila.
Mayroon din kaming juice. Juice na nakamamatay.
Diabetes.
So guys, maliligo na kami.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
So guys, bad news. Nalobot yung cellphone ko guys, kaya hindi na kami nakapag-video doon sa pool ng outro at nakapag-video pa ng marami. Kaya aabangan nyo, maybe on Tuesday guys, is maliligo kami ulit at i-remake namin tong video na to. But I'm gonna still post this guys because you know, so I still need to post this guys. Even though nga, i-remake namin or i-review video namin siya guys. Kasi nga, para makita nyo talaga yung anong kagandahan ng Naga Resort, Naga Water Park and Resort or Naga Resort and Water Park. See ya! Bye-bye!